Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today I'm gonna be guiding you through how to turn off music in Need for Speed No Limits application. First of all, launch the app open on your device and from the home screen, go ahead and tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Now from the menu, tap on Options on the right side. Now you will see Sound Effects and Music option under Controls. Tap on Sound Effect and Music speaker icon and make sure that both of the options are crossed like this. Once you do that, you will not be able to hear any background music or sound effect while playing the game. That way, you can enjoy your game in silence. If you want to turn it back on, you can always come back to this page and tap on the sound effect and music option to enable sound in the game. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.